Good morning, and welcome to your pre-market report for Thursday, 8th January 2026. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. Wall Street's early week momentum paused yesterday, with major indices retreating from recent record highs. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell about 0.9%. The S&P 500 slipped roughly 0.3%, while the Nasdaq Composite eked out a small gain of around 0.2% as investors digested mixed economic news, profit-taking, and sector rotations. Asian equity markets are trading mixed today as the early-year rally cools off and investors balance optimism from U.S. record highs with heightened geopolitical uncertainty and interest rate concerns. Japan's Nikkei 225 is lower, while other major benchmarks show divergent moves. GIF Nifty futures as of 8 a.m. was trading at 26,184, thereby indicating a flat to negative open for the Indian markets today. Crude oil prices rebounded modestly after 2 days of declines, supported by a larger-than-expected draw in U.S. crude inventories and ongoing geopolitical focus on Venezuelan supply dynamics. Gold and silver remain firm but potentially volatile, with prices elevated on safe haven flows amid geopolitical and rate cut expectations. Tata Steel delivered its best-ever quarterly crude steel production at 6.34 million tons in Q3, driven by strong output at Jamshedpur and Kalinganagar, while its Netherlands operations posted steady production and deliveries. Shriram Finance received strong backing from proxy advisory firms for its $4.4 billion investment deal with Japan's MUFG Bank, marking the largest FDI in India's financial services sector and strengthening its long-term growth outlook. Infosys has partnered with Cognition to deploy Devon, an autonomous AI software engineer, integrating it with its Topaz AI platform to accelerate product development, boost coding productivity, and modernize legacy systems for global clients. Another negative open is expected for Nifty today, which may lead to the testing of supports at 26,050 and 25,975. In case of positive cues, next hurdle on an up move will be 26,180. Cues from global markets point towards a negative bias for today's trading. Elevated crude oil volatility, mixed Asian market cues, and uncertainty around global monetary policy may dampen risk appetite and limit foreign inflows, keeping Indian markets cautious at the open. Strong domestic institutional support, robust corporate performance, plus safe haven demand in gold and solid macro momentum could support selective buying and help stabilize sentiment. Yesterday, FIIs were net sellers of about 1,528 crore rupees, while DIIs were net buyers of around 2,889 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on January 8, 2026. For more such updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.